How to turn off contact sharing in iOS 17 on iPhone. I'm sure many of us have experienced the frustration of accidentally triggering contact sharing when our iPhones come into close proximity with each other. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to disable this feature so you can put those worries behind you. Let's dive in. First, launch your Settings app. Next, scroll down and locate General, then tap on it. Once you're in the General settings, search for the AirDrop option and tap on it. Within the AirDrop settings, you'll find an option labeled Bringing Devices Together. If you wish to prevent your iPhone from automatically sharing your number or photos when it comes into contact with another iPhone, simply toggle this option off. That's it. You no longer need to concern yourself with accidental contact sharing between iPhones. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to sharing more tips with you in the next video.